We are exploring. Today we're at the River Drive mobile home park in Conway, Arkansas, when Hurricane Laura arrived in Conway. And I'm going to show you this crazy rain and how the front yard is flooded. And over there on the right side you can see a big limb that has fallen off this oak tree, and once the rain recedes a little bit, I'm going to check out what damage this did to the roof. At least the rain is washing off some of these nasty pine needles that are on the cars. Now that the rain has settled a little bit, I'm gonna go and inspect the damage. I have this umbrella here, but as you can see, that was damaged earlier at work getting to the car. Look, wow, this is a huge limb that fell off this tree. And over there, high up, I can spot where it broke off. That's certainly 30 feet high. And this fell all on top of the roof and then broke off. Wow, look at that. That tree limb is almost as long as the whole trailer. Whoa. Oh yeah, there in the distance at the top you can see the spot of fresh wood where the limb broke off. Wow, that's a huge piece of tree. They said they had winds at speeds of 45 miles an hour, gusting to probably around 65, maybe more. Yeah, just to give you an idea of that chunk of wood. Wow, look here at the impact site. Had someone been out here and that fell on top of a person, that person would be pretty much dead. Wow. And over there, there's a big chunk on the roof, and the smaller limbs there broke off. There's not a ton of damage, but we're gonna go back inside in a moment and assess the damage on the inside. There is still a little bit of rain and a little bit of wind. You can see that here. Wow, my little flag flying in the front yard here after Hurricane Laura. There seems to be some damage to the roof that this limb falling down had caused. You can see the water spilling over there through the cracks, and I am trying to catch it with these two little cups because not much else is gonna fit on that windowsill, and they're filling up pretty quickly. As you can see, this is interesting. Wow, what a trip. Well, that's certainly gonna need a little bit of repair. So let's conclude this video from the River View Mobile Home Park in Conway, Arkansas. And I hope that next time I can show you something more fun than roof damage to a mobile home.